So welcome everybody. Thanks for coming along on this sunny, warm Tuesday evening. It's great to have such an interesting mix of people in the audience, some from the world of sound, some people that I know that I didn't realise had an interest in sound, and some other people that have been connected via this universal language that is music. So we're running a bit late, as you've probably gathered, but we're going to kick things off very shortly. Just to give you a quick rundown on the agenda. First of all, actually, I'll introduce myself for those who don't know me. So my name is Jimmy Kiriakou, and I run a business innovation consultancy called Unbox. We help entrepreneurs, startups, really navigate emerging trends, mainly around wellness, technology and culture. And sound is certainly one of those trends that is on the rise at the moment. And for me, it's a very personal thing. So not only is there lots of public interest in sound at the moment, but it's something that I'm hugely passionate about and that I've known for a very long time, from a very young age. There's something more to sound than just entertainment. So I think the purpose of this event, which we're hoping is going to be the start of many, is to really start the conversation around sound with an interesting mix of people that come not only from future trends and technology, but are also entrenched in ancient spiritual practices. Because I think to understand the future, you really have to look at the past, and ultimately it all connects in the middle. There's an amazing mix of speakers here tonight, although half of them aren't here, so I'm hoping they turn up. So the agenda, shortly we're going to be handing you over to Cherub and Tim Wheater, who are going to be taking us on a magical sound journey. Cherub and Tim can do a quick introduction, but they're sound healers, musicians, magicians and a bunch of other things, but I'll let them give you a quick intro, and they'll be using this magical equipment behind us. To follow, we will be having a keynote interview which I'll be conducting with Tony Andrews, the founder of Function One, although he's not here yet. And we'll have a break. Then we'll get to sample some of the goodies at the bar from Stay On Demand, and I'll let James give you an introduction as to what's happening up there. And then we'll go on to a panel with which Ari Peralta will be leading, with a really interesting mix of people, again, from all different aspects of sound and music with interesting backgrounds, but I'll let Ari introduce that. And to end, we'll be having a production, a live performance from Estelle, who you can see walking in front of us there, who is, I would say, is a mix of kind of electronic music, Latino roots, and some cool stuff she's going to be doing with the technology you've got up there. So hopefully it all runs to plan. And what I'll do now, very quickly before we start, I'll just quickly hand you over to James, who will just explain a bit about Stay On Demand, one of our sponsors. And then we'll hand over to Tim and Cherub.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming this evening. So, State On Demand, what is it? Essentially, we are an app, and when you want to choose a state of mind, you will use our app to choose. And if you want to be calm, if you want to be not to be so anxious and nervous like I am right now, being thrown right into the front stage, you will then choose that state of mind, and our app will then allow you to experience and to suggest what type of nootropics, what type of meditation, sleep patterns, sound that will help you to achieve that particular state of mind. Tonight what we've got with us are some nootropics. We have some valerian, some ashwagandha, some CBD, some coffee, some chamomile, and after every time there's a bit of a break here, come over and see me, you can experience those nootropics and the combination of those nootropics and how they can help you to achieve and alter your state of mind Some almost immediately. I mean, we're all familiar with coffee. We have some bulletproof coffee tonight. We have some bulletproof coffee with macadamia, and that also has an impact on your diet. So every time we have a break, come over and see us over at the bar. We've got some Gummy Bears, and we've got some, what else we got over there? We've got some chill pills. So if you're having problems with some sleep, just take a chill pill. So we've actually got chill pills.
Not tonight though.
Yeah, maybe at the end of the night come and take a chill pill. Otherwise, we'll be having some earmuffs for snoring, perhaps. But yeah, so every time there's a bit of a break, come over and see us. But essentially, we're state on demand, and soon you'll see one of our apps that comes. You download on whatever platform you've got, and it will just help you achieve a state of mind. And again, through multi-sensual, whether it's meditation, whether it's sound, whether it's the nootropics, whether it's activity. So come over and see us every time there's a break, and enjoy what we brought for you tonight. Thank you very much.